think of it, is it a set or not? If in your class 24 students are there or 30 students are there, and we need to find out the collection of all the boys in your class, so yes, it will be a set, because we have to take all the students, right? So here it is a set. You can definitely identify a boy who belong to this collection, right? So hence this collection is a set. Next, the collection of all natural number. We all know the natural number that is same for all. A person who is here, or a person who is living in another country, or who is residing in a different state. So here we say these all numbers are natural number and they are same. Now we need to find out the collection of all natural number which are less than 100. So starts from 1, 2, 3, 4 and adds up to 99. So this we say that one can definitely identify number that belongs to this collection. Hence this collection is a set. Now the sixth part, that is collection of novels written by writer Munshi Premchand ji. Right. So here it is well defined. A collection of novels written by the writer Munshi Premchand is a well-defined collection. Yes, because one can identify a book that belongs to his collection, right? So here, for all the person, the collection of the books written by the Munshi Premchand ji, that will be same. So this collection we considered as a set. Now, next part, that is collection of all the even integers. Here, the collection of all the even integer, the number which are divisible by 2, which we can divide by 2, right? So here, for all the person different, one can definitely identify the even integers, right? Negatives, 0, and with that positive number also, which can be easily divided by 2, and that belong to this collection. So here we say this collection is a set. Now, next is the collection of questions in this chapter. So it's same for all. One can definitely identify. It's a well-defined collection. It is a well-defined collection. It's same for all. If you are studying here or somewhere else, and in this chapter you want to find out the number of questions or the collection of questions, so for all the persons it will remain same. So it is a well-defined, and we say it is a collection and it is a set. Now the next is a collection of most dangerous animals of the world. If we want to find out the most dangerous, so maybe one person who feel fear with the lizard and who will not feel fear with the snake, है ना? So it will be different for the different person. So here we say that it is not well defined. For different person, the dangerous animal can be different. So here it varies from person to person. It is not fixed for all, and we say this collection is not a set. Now, it's a very easy one. We have discussed about this sign which means belong. This means belong. What it means, that if we have any set A, okay, and if I write 1, so this 1 we called element. We called it element, and this in the set we separate these elements by comma, and here we have to find out that whether these given numbers belongs or not belongs, or not belongs, right? So if I am writing here 5, so 5, is it the element which belong to the set? Yes, this 5 is there, we can see here. So implies this 5 belongs, or it is a member, it is an element, it is an element of this set. Now we have 8. So 8, is this 8? You can see 8 is not the element of this set, implies it's not belong. First write out belong and then cut it. So what it means, that not belong, right? So 8 is an element which does not belongs to this set A. Now next is we have 0. Can you see here 0 is the element of it or not? So 0 is not the element. We say it is not belongs to this set A. So you can match the answers also. Now come to the next, the fourth part. Here 4. 4 is the element which is here. It means this is the element which belongs to the set, and we here represented by this sign. Now we have 2. So 2 is also this part of this, and we say it is a member of this set and 2 belongs to A. Then we have 10. 10, it's not the element of this. After 6, we have not written any element. So 1 to 6 only will be the element, and here 10 is not the part of it. So it implies it does not belongs to A. So the element which belong means the number which is there in the set, and the not belong, that means that if the number is not in the set. Now these are the main answers of this. Now next is very interesting question here. Write the following sets in the roster form. Listen students, if you want to write down any set, so there are two types. How to represent any two type of a set? Any set with the first, that is roster form, one representation that is roster form, and another one that we can represent by set builder form. So how to represent any element with the roster? If you are writing the element of the set, right? Any set with the elements only. And set builder form, we write down the property. Okay, so the question is that here to represent it in a roster form. Roster means we need to write down the elements. So x is an integer, you know, the negative number with a 0 and positive number will give you integer, right? Now the number should be greater than -3 and less than 7. 3 से -3 से क्या होना चाहिए? नंबर बड़ा होना चाहिए और 7 से छोटा होना चाहिए. So it's very simple. We know it is here -2, then -3 also, because we have less than equal to. Can you see? Number x -3 से बड़ा हो और उसके इक्वल भी हो तो -3 आएगा, -2 आएगा, -1 आएगा, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 6 also. But 7 will not be the part of it. Why 7 is not there? Because it is less than 7, not equal to 7. So here the numbers are, you can see here, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 only. And we separate them with the bracket, with the commas, and we put all these number inside the bracket. Now, next. Here, a question is, we have this set builder form, right? How to write down the set builder form? We need to first write down the element, and the element should be such that, what it means, the symbol represent, it is such that it is a natural number less than 6. So, you just pause the video and tell me the number which are less than 6. Less than 6, and they should be natural number. So, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only, right? So, here take these all numbers separated by the commas and put it inside the bracket. So, number are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and these numbers are less than 6 and they are natural number. Now, next question here, see, x is a 2-digit number. We need to write down the 2-digit number such that sum of its digit is 8. The sum of digit should be 8. We have to find out two numbers here. So x is a 2-digit number, so then sum of digit is 8. So how to write down? It's 1, 7, 2, 6, 3, 5, 4, 4, 5, 3, 6, 2 and 7, 1 and 8, 0. If you add this first digit and second digit, so sum of 1 plus 7, that is 8. 2 plus 7, 8. 3 plus 5, 8. 4 plus 4, that is 8. 5 plus 3, 8. 6 plus 2, 8. 7 plus 1, 8. And 8 plus 0 also. Can I write 0, 8 also? 0, 8, the sum will also be 8. But is this 8 a 2-digit number? No. So, take care of this thing. Keep in mind that we can't take 1-digit number, right? If you write any 0 before any digit, it means 1 digit only, and the numbers are 17, 26, 35, 44, 53, 62, 71 and 80. Keep this point also in mind that you have to write it in a curly braces. Curly braces के बिना आपको इसको नहीं लिखना. Now, next question is, x is a prime number. What do you mean by prime number? First, prime number, the numbers which are divisible by 1 and number itself. कोई भी number अगर 1 से divide होता है and the number itself we say that is a prime number. So can you find out 1 also it's a prime number? No. 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. We started with a 2. 2 is a number which is divisible by 1 and 2. Now you can define it with the another definition that the prime number are those number which have only two factors, right? And only two factors. Like if I am saying 11, so 11 factors are 11 into 1 only, right? Now x is the prime number. You need to find out the prime numbers which is a divisor of 60, So how many numbers which can divide 60? So first take 60, take LCM of it, 2, then 30, then 2, 15, 3 and then 5. Now we have 2, 3 and 5. So answer is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Now answer will be 2, 3, 5 only. Why man? We are not writing here 2, 2 into 3 into 5. This we have studied in the previous video that if you are writing the elements, then we will take it in mind that it should not be repetitive. If you are writing any element, it should only come once, right? Now next is E, the set of all letters in the word trigonometry. So trigonometry, how many letters are there? We need to write it. Write like T, R, I, G, O, N, M, E, Y. So here we have 12 letters, but out of these we see that T, R and O, they are repetitive. Can you see this? T and here also T. Then R, then here also R. And O, here also A. But we not repeat them. We only write it one time. T, R, I, G, O, N, M, E, Y. And here by mistake it is in a simple bracket. You please put it in a curly braces, right? Now next is just pause the video and answer it. The set of all letters in the word better. Better, you can see this T is repetitive and this E is also, but write it once only. B, E, T, R, right? How to write? It's B, comma, it's E, comma, T and then R. This E comes one more time and T is also repetitive, so we only write down one time only. Next, write the following set in set builder form. So how to write any number in a set builder form? By writing its property. 3, 6, 9, 12. Can you see? 3 1s are 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9 and 3 4 is 12. So how to write down this 3, 6, 9, 11, 3, 6, 9, 12? I am writing first x. It should be x such that that element is a multiple of 3. X equal to 3 into n. Now multiple, that can be 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 also, 18 also. But these 15 and 18s are not. So how many multiples we want? 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 1s are, 3 2s are, 3 3s are, 3 4s are. So n we have, and this is from 1 to 4. N we have, and n is from less than equal to. We can write like this also. N equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Or we are writing n is from 1 and then 4. Greater than 1, less than 4. But ma'am, we have taken n belongs to nature. Why it is so? If you are writing 1 to 4, so the number between 1 to 2, it can come 1.1 also, 1.2 also. So we need to mention that these numbers are only those 1, 2, 3, 4, the main numbers, right? Now come to the next. We have here 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. Let's write. It can be seen as, we write here 2 as it is, 4 I am writing 2 square, 8 I am writing 2 cube, 16 as 2 to the power 4 and here 2 to the power 5. So 2, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4 and 2 to the power 5. Now here we say this number as x and x, this is 2 to the power n. But I am saying 2 to the power n. And number n means power is from 1 to 5. So we restrict this n now. How? That it is greater than 1 and less than 5, and it is a natural number. Same as we have discussed in the first part of the question number 4. Right. Now, let's find it. Pause it and tell 5, 25, 125 and 625. How to write down these numbers? 5. 5 to the power 1. 25. 5 square. 125. 5 cube. 625. 5 to the power 4. So here we are writing number as x such that x equals to 5 to the power n. And that is from 1 to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? All numbers will come into it. Now,